Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create the pumpkin glow effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, I have this image as a background. Link of this image is mentioned in the description. Go to the Object Selection tool. Select the mode, lasso, and make a selection of it. Click on Add Selection icon for multiple selection. Take your time for accurate selection. Then open the Layer panel. If it's not there, bring it from the Window menu. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate. Right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Click on Layer Style, and choose Gradient Overlay. Apply the blend mode to normal. Follow my overlay gradient settings. Then create a copy of it. Click on Gradient Overlay and change its blend mode to Linear Dodge Add. And the other settings put the same. Bring the fill to around 60%. Create a new blank layer. Go to the Brush tool. And apply. Change its blend mode to Color Dodge. Click on the Adjustment layer and choose Color Lookup. Change its light to Moonlight. Bring this layer to down. Select the Layer 1, right-click on it, and open the blending options. Apply the outer glow to it. Use these settings. Use the same process for other one. Here is before, and here is after, and it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.